Shorting the common and red thermostat wires during replacement can blow the furnace fuse, shut down control circuits, and leave the heating or cooling system dead until the fuse is replaced. Turn off the heating and cooling power at the breaker and confirm 0 voltage with a non-contact tester before you touch anything. Always treat the red conductor as live relative to the common and remove power completely to avoid blowing the control fuse. Expose the wire bundle gently. Separate conductors with a small non-conductive probe and wrap each exposed conductor tip with a bit of electrical tape while you work to prevent accidental contacts. If wires are short or frayed, strip back only as much insulation as needed and use short heat shrink tubing or factory-rated insulated ferrules to prevent stray strands from bridging terminals. When disconnecting, label each conductor with paper and tape and photograph the terminal layout so reconnection is foolproof and you do not swap the common and red leads. If you suspect a short occurred and the system is dead, check the furnace control panel or transformer secondary for the inline fuse rated at either 3 amps or 5 amps and replace it only with a fuse of the identical rating and type to avoid underprotection or fire risk. After replacing the fuse, restore power and observe the control transformer for stable 24-volt alternating current under load. If voltage collapses again, do not repeatedly replace fuses. Isolate and trace for a sustained short in wiring, terminal blocks, or a failed control board. Finish by securing wires with a strain relief and routing them so no conductor can contact the metal backplate or each other. Then power up and verify system operation through a full call for heat and cool sequence. One of the top 3 common mistakes is working with power still applied, which causes blown control fuses and system outages. Fix that by turning off the breaker and verifying 0 voltage before touching wires. One of the other frequent errors is leaving exposed wire strands that short between common and red during reconnection. Correct this by using heat shrink, insulated ferrules, or tape on conductor tips, and keeping wires separated. One of the remaining mistakes is replacing a blown fuse with the wrong rating, which risks damage or nuisance trips. Remedy that by installing an identical 3 amp or 5 amp fuse per manufacturer guidance and troubleshooting persistent shorts rather than repeatedly swapping fuses. BigHomeProjects.com lists local HVAC technicians and electricians experienced with thermostat replacements and control circuit troubleshooting, helping homeowners find vetted pros quickly. Contractors use the directory to get leads and show qualifications so they win jobs that require safe, code-compliant thermostat work.